Golf is a game for the evolved. Golfers are a different breed. Look around you. Do you see what I see? I see a celestial golf course, the Oxford Golf Course. Have you ever wondered that do gods play golf?
Singing every second, dancing every hour. Oh yeah, you've got a higher power, and she really someone I wanna know.
Let the games begin.
It's going to be an amazing OPL season.
It's going to be an amazing season.
Oxford Premier League.
And look who we have here, the Pune Lions!
So this is 2024, Season 2 of the Oxford Premier League. That's what you get when you win the tournament. 12 teams, 180 players, managers, coaches, mentors, and the whole jing-bang of a league. And Pune's league is most talked about league now, the Oxford Premier League in this country. And OPL 2 promises to be really one of the most fun, enjoyable, not only for the golfer but even for the families, as it's going to be a festival of golf.
It's a pleasure to have Aditya Malpani here with us, one of the organizers, and Prachi, who's the host. Aditya, this time the league is looking even more better, bigger and stronger. This time we've got 12 teams.
Oh yeah, we've got 12 very strong teams with 7 teams who've come from the previous year's league and 5 new teams who've joined us for this season of the OPL.
Wow, fantastic. And how many players?
So each team has 15 players and a total of 180 players is what comprises of the entire league.
It's very interesting that you say you have 12 teams and all of them are very strong, considering 5 of them it's their first time, right? So are they feeling the jitters or they are raring to go?
I think they're all experienced owners and experienced core team that they've chosen. So yes, jitters in terms of playing a new league for the first time for them, but I would say that they're still confident to go ahead and win the trophy.
This time the format, you have conjured up something different, something more spicy. 3 days back-to-back games. How do you think it's going to work out?
So well, apart from the strategizing and planning of teams, we also, try and get a little bit of endurance into play.
Yeah.
So 3 days of strength, 3 days of focus, 3 days of bonding between each other, and I think the first 3 days and the next 3 days, that's how we placed it. But it's really going to take some doing for the teams to kind of come through.
So things are hot, it's hot out there, and things are also heating up. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I'm excited to watch some hot golf in the month of April.
So let's start with Pool A.
Yeah.
And look who we have here, the Pune Lions! Good morning, Pune Lions.
Good morning. Ron, how are you doing?
But good, you guys are looking very smashing in your t-shirts.
Thank you.
Thanks to SRA, our official sponsor for Team Pune Lions.
What's that secret sauce? I mean, how do you guys conjure up so much bonding?
So we look at two things, can I?
Yeah, please.
For us, two things are very important. Once we've chosen the team, of course, is team discipline and team bonding. And we go all out to work on both these aspects.
One thing that really stands out is enthusiasm. How is it that you guys have everybody so enthused?
See, the first thing is, I think, when you carry the last year's legacy forward, that itself sort of enthuses you, and the team rallies around that we are the defending champions. And then the enthusiasm comes automatically. That is a very, I think, rallying point for the entire team. The other factor is, of course, as Andrew said, team spirit and bonding. We meet often, we discuss often, we talk often, we give everybody a chance to give their inputs so that every player is involved, even, I would say, in the process to decision making. I think that is the key.
So, beginning well is very important.
Yeah.
Who's your first match against?
We are playing Eagle Forces, right? We played them in the finals also last year. So, of course, you always in a tournament like this, you judge your opponents and then strategize.
Our members are so excited that each one comes up with suggestions and they chip in with those suggestions. Like I'll tell you, somebody is taking us to Ambi Valley from the team.
Wow.
Somebody is organizing the tournament. The third person is giving the prizes. Somebody is getting the food. Somebody is getting the liquor. So it's a team effort. Everybody is chipping in for this weekend practice session, come bonding session, from camaraderie. Everybody is chipping in, putting in their best. We have a team sponsor, everybody. So it's like everybody getting involved. We try to get involved and obviously we will get results. Plus, one thing very important, we never take the opponent lightly. We give them their due respect and we play accordingly and we choose our team accordingly.
It's such a mind game, this game of golf.
Yeah.
Where if your mind is calm and mind is steady, mind is confident, then the game is yours.
The Pune Lions. सारा शहर हमको लायन के नाम से जानता है.
Absolutely, I think the Pune Lions is a team which is well bonded. They came to the auction with an amazing strategy, a pure game plan in place, and they followed it to the T. Also, they have a few players who are intimidating, and of course, they are continuing the legacy of the team.
We, the Dubai Falcons, and we here to win.
What a shot!
This is the best player of our team, Akash Nakre. Fabulous youngster, very good, level-headed golfer, and my partner.
Hi,
we are the Nagpur Tigers, and we are here to win.
We are the Green Gladiators, and we are here to win.
Going to be an amazing OPL season 2.
Yay! OPL season 2, we are gonna rock.
Shot, yeah. What a drive. What a drive.
What a drive.
Fabulous.
Fabulous drive.
You're good. How do you like my partner? Huh?
Yes. Thank you.
He's supposedly your product.
I will bring only fishing nets now. I will use only fishing.
So a good team to watch out. Some long hitters and a very well balanced team in terms of the gold, silver and bronze players.
Let me introduce Coach Mohit Nakre. He's a professional golf course coach at Pune Club. We are very happy to have him with us because he's given us some amazing practice sessions, coaching instructions, and helped us with our game, especially wherever we are difficult, especially the short game. He's worked on each one individually and everybody collectively to enhance our skills.
Such batao, please give me the dirty details. How bad is it right now?
So I'd like to say that because of this league, you know, what has happened is the club golfers have got quite serious about their game because they want to compete and they want to win. So they are taking their lessons very seriously. They're coming for more lessons, and overall standard of the game is definitely going up day by day. So this league has done that, and we all know that the better you play the game, the more fun we have. So
how much importance do you give to mental strength, which is very important as match temperament is going to come about?
Okay, so it's a very good question, and yeah, so mental strength is, like they say, that you know, golf is played on a course which is 6 inches long between this year to this year. So if that part is clear, then most of the things are sorted out.
Hi, we are the Pune Lions, and we are here to win.
You know, sometimes quickly the day progresses and then suddenly you find that you're lagging behind, you're down. So what would you say to some of your players?
Yeah.
How do you coach them to be mentally strong on the given day?
Yeah, so that again a very good question. You see, we are all club players, so we have to be patient. You have to carry out your own game plan. So if somebody is playing well initially, that doesn't mean that, you know, that's the way it's going to go for them all the time, because they're also club players. They're going to make mistakes. So to be patient,
right.
Play your own game plan. Just be patient. Play your own game plan, and things will fall in your. There's nothing. You don't have to do anything extra. You just play your game. Play to your strengths, and things will fall in place.
We can hit one more.
I want
You ask your opponents, bhaiya.
He is on the fairway.
Akash, wait, this I will not count. I want to hit one more. क्यों ऊपर देता मैं?
दूर मारना बोल रहा है ना, सिखा इसको दूर मारना. दूर मारना कोच नहीं सिखा सकता. I'll tell you frankly. सीधा मारना कोच सिखा सकता है. हाँ. दूर मारना वो सब तुम्हारे अंदर जितना जुनून है उससे आएगा वो. मेरा पेट मेरे
नहीं you didn't look at the comment.
बोल सर.
He says कि मेरा पेट है ना तो ऐसे इसको कम करने के लिए
पेट को
पूछो क्या कर सकते हो.
स्विंग में यूज करेगा और पावर डालेगा. तो as usual आदित्य मुझे ट्विस्ट कर रहा है.
It's going to be an amazing season. OPL 2.
Moving on, let's move to the next team in Pool A. Let's talk about the Dubai Falcons. It's a brand new team, brand new approach, brand new leadership. What do you say about the Dubai Falcons?
Very fresh team. The owners don't play golf, but very passionate about the sport, and they've got a great coach and mentor in the form of Aditya Kanitkar.
Yeah.
So he's helped them form a pretty balanced and a strong team. Now let's wait and watch how they perform on the field.
We have here with us the owners of Dubai Falcons. Hey, hi, how are you finding the OPL experience?
So far it's been a great experience. We have been continuously supporting our team and our team is doing pretty good.
This is Veer Thamane, very privileged and a pleasure to own the Dubai Falcons team, which I bought with my partner Dr. Satyajit Naik and Ambika Naik, along with my wife Monal. And we have a great mentor and coach in Aditya, plus a very good captain in Rohan Sevlikar.
You guys have had a good tournament so far.
Yes.
Thanks to Aditya, I guess. It's Aditya's coaching. Aditya, what do you have to say?
It's a new team. We are building a very good team, a lot of youngsters. So it's just a matter of time. We are going to start performing really well, even better now.
You guys have bought the team, Dubai Falcons. What do you have to say about the team? How's it looking? It's a young, fresh batch of players.
Yes, with Aditya being at the coaching end and Rohan being our captain, I think they are doing very, very well.
Okay, in Pool B, we have last year's runner-up, Roaring Tigers, Nagpur. What's your thoughts on them?
They came from Nagpur last year. They shut everyone's mouths. And this year, they are roaring louder. They have a clear attitude that, you know, we're out there to kill. And that's what the Tigers usually do. So.
Hi, my name is Deepak.
My name is Manoj Nair.
I'm playing for Roaring Tiger Nagpur.
Playing this time proudly for the Roaring Tigers of Nagpur.
I'm playing to silver this time, yeah.
I am playing in the gold category.
We have got 5 golds, 7 silvers and 3 bronze, so pretty much balanced idea.
You've got some tough matches coming up, and points on the table are very, very important. What's your approach going in?
It's amazing, the kind of teams that we have in this edition. I think all the teams are looking really, really strong. And the only mantra that we have is that we should not worry about the opponent. We should just play our game and try to do what we can do the best, and result will take care of itself.
How mentally strong is Tigers?
Tigers are very strong, especially given the fact that they know what it takes to reach the finals, and then now they just know they just need that extra little to get over the hump. So it's a very strong team, I would say. Very, very strong.
Last year we were runner-ups. Hopefully this year we'll have a better result.
I'm a gladiator and I'm green. The Green Gladiators.
This is a quiet team.
Yeah.
I would say like a silent killer. They have the potential in them. if you remember last year's league, they came back so strong.
Yeah.
So, you know, expect the unexpected from the Green Gladiators.
Plus, they have a good coach, Aditya Bhandarkar.
One of the best coaches, and as I said, like a silent motivator.
Yeah.
And he'll even do a lot of thrashing to the players, but without the outer world knowing.
Yes.
And a great team to watch out for.
Sachin Purohit.
My name is Rohit Anand.
Hi, I'm Girish Lamkar.
Raju Nageshkaran. My name is Alok Gole.
Raghav Agarwal.
I am Shishir Gupta.
Aditya Bhandarkar from the Green Gladiators, owned by Mr. Suresh Vavia.
Advantage that you guys have over other teams?
We are the best here. So
We are really good on paper, and I think we can deliver.
fortunately, our team seems good.
Tough matches coming up. What's your approach going to be like?
You know, just like any other day, we don't think about the tournament at all. So it's just like we are going to play any 4-ball with friends and just enjoy, just have beers.
I think what we discussed with the team is just enjoy and play.
Just enjoy and play your game. Just take one shot at a time, have some beer, and everything will be alright, I guess.
Beer is required in these summer conditions. It's very tough conditions. Beer is the only thing which can be neutralized.
You're the coach. How do you mentally prepare your team for tough matches ahead?
Well, I think always the team that enjoys themselves playing out on the golf course is the team that's going to do well. So as far as the mental side of it is concerned, I've been pushing them to just go out and have fun, make mistakes. That's okay. They're all handicap golfers, so they're not expected to play a perfect golf.
Hole 9, you've got a 230 to hit. What are you going to hit? What club are you going to hit for 230?
I'm not going for it. I'm chickering out.
You know, you are the guys who usually end up guzzling beer on the golf course.
For losing, right?
What a shot. Good shot.
I'm 9.
9?
Yep.
So, in most cases, will be getting strokes, not giving strokes.
I hope so.
What makes you guys so mentally strong?
The attitude.
How many bottles of beer you guys are going to be guzzling down after you guys win?
Depends on gum mein piyenge ya khushi mein piyenge. We'll figure that out.
It's going to be an amazing season. OPL Season 2.
I know that you guys are very hardworking, been practicing a lot. You guys are fantastic players. But I have one very important question. Please give me the contact number of the belly dancers you've been partying with. Who has it? Come on, de do yaar mujhe jaldi jaldi.
The strategy also seems very fresh, right? I mean, they're actually investing in the young golfers who technically, when you're playing in this kind of a heat, you're averaging 36, 37 degrees every day, age and the weather together makes for a deadly combination for any golfer.
Absolutely, and combine it with 3 back-to-back days.
Exactly.
I mean,
so their strategy of actually having youngsters on their team is going to be an added advantage in the long term.
That's true, and I think we'll be able to see that in form.
How that pans out.
Correct.
My name is Wilson.
Rian. Rishabh Lenka. This is Dr. Sachin Rohani.
This is Siddharth Deshpande.
I am Yash. I'm playing for the Dubai Falcons.
Yeah, Sriram, what category you're playing in here?
I'm playing in some gold category.
What's your handicap?
5.
It's 13.
Playing in the gold division with all the best players of Pune.
It's a great team. Coach is Aditya Kandikar.
The best team in the OPL.
Yeah, this is my second year playing. The first one was so good I had to do it twice.
मैंने सुना है कि टूर्नामेंट जीतने के बाद आप लोग सब दुबई जाने वाले हो?
दुबई तो फर्स्ट रहेगा, उसके बाद सोचेंगे यूएस
वेगस, मतलब वेगस भी जाओगे? ऋषभ? ये मैं क्या सुन रहा हूँ?
क्यों?
मैं सुना है कि दुबई की टिकट्स बुक हो चुके हैं यार।
दुबई की
Dubai Falcons has a lot of youngsters.
All are youngsters.
Of course, mostly youngsters, but so कहीं ऐसा नहीं हो कि आप लोगों को कच्चा नींबू सोचे।
अरे कच्चे नींबू ही बहुत भारी पड़ते हैं। उसमें थोड़ा नमक विमक डालेंगे, लाल मिर्ची डालेंगे, बहुत जहर से लगता है।
Well, there's no fear. That's the beauty of youngsters in golf.
Ignorance is bliss.
Yeah, ignorance is bliss. We've all, I mean, everyone who started when they were young, they're just sort of mentally trained to get on the ball and hit it.
You've got some tough matches coming up. What's your approach going to be?
Brain work is being done by our coaches. So they make the pairings and then give us, and we go to the opponent. And that day you have to go all out and play your game in full.
To be very frank, we are just going to play. We don't know about whether the pool is tough or easy. It's all about that day.
I think the most important thing is to just stay and play. Keep it going, keep your round going. Don't make too many mistakes. At the end of the day, whoever makes the most mistakes is going to lose.
Don't take pressure. Be calm.
Have lots of beer?
Add lots of beer after the game, okay? And play natural games. Be calm and play ethical game. That's important.
Well, my friends are in AK Pune Lions. They are the previous year winners.
Okay.
And the game that I've seen of him and from what I know of him, they are pretty strong.
It's going to be an amazing season. OPL Season 2.
One thing that comes across as a very strong observation for Pune Lions is the enthusiasm. Because I haven't seen a team as raring to go, as roaring to go as the Pune Lions.
Oh, absolutely. And that's the roar of the lion. If they could put it that way. They've been practicing very hard. They've been meeting quite often. And I think that's what's going to count when they go on the field.
Hi, my name is Aditya Puzalkar.
Hi, I'm Ranjit Kakkar. Vinay Agarwal. Yeah.
Hi Satish.
Hi, how are you?
I'm Rupesh.
Kosh. Hi.
Hello. Colonel Ashutosh Rao.
Hi Subbu.
Hi. Hi.
So, you're playing for Pune Lions?
Yeah. Absolutely, it's like a home team for me. We have a championship spirit in us.
I've played with many teams actually, but this is the first team I'm seeing is so serious about the game. Like each and every player, we are like 15-16 players and all of them are really practicing daily hard.
Yeah, it's a great bonding because it's a very free, open culture.
If I want to play, I want to play in this team only, yeah.
Push each other to perform better and to come collectively together.
Longest drive has been about 400 yards.
That's amazing, yeah.
Yes, you're going to have losses along the way, but losses are a stepping stone to the next win.
तुम जब भी वीडियो लेते हैं मैं पट मिस करता है तुमको याद है फाइनल में भी पट मिस किया मैं
मतलब सबको दारू पिला के रखा है कि चक्कर क्या है भाई
लेकिन हमारा टीम बिना पिए ही नशे में रहता है
अच्छा the bonding and the relationship what we have built last year, it is like unbelievable.
You have to play against the course. You beat the course, you beat the opponents.
One secret, how did you guys win last year?
Hard work, dedication. I think it's a lot of team management. Thanks to the captain and Andrew and all.
It's always fun playing with family.
We play for each other.
All matches are going to be tough because every team is well balanced.
The victory lies in the whole team winning and everybody having a good outing.
We have Anil with us. We are taking you through to how OPL has actually panned out and what is the thought process that Anil actually carries when he is actually planning Oxford Premier League. So Anil, question to you. It's never easy to start something with a sport that doesn't have too much of a niche following in a country like India. We are a cricket crazy country. Golf is extremely niche. Not too many people are actually playing the sport or are interested in the sport. So what is your motivation? What keeps you still going with the game?
When I took to golf, quite a late age, not that I was very young when I took to it, I realized that this game had so much, of learning in it. So what I found in this game, that besides creating relationships, so you play cricket, you know your 11 players and you just play cricket. And you don't know people beyond cricket. If you see a cricketer and ask a cricketer, does he know the community? No, he doesn't know it. Golf, particularly, even the professional golfers or golfers, know the community in the city. So there is a difference in the sport of golf as I look at it. And of course, what is behind all this? Well, since I loved the game, I was captain of the Pune club, then I was the president of the Pune club, and I then went into the intricacies, and I'm pretty green. By green I mean I'm a lover of organic and eco story, which you hear of all the time now. So I said, why don't we create something? I'm a real estate developer. I thought, add in the angle of real estate. I don't know, you don't make money at the golf course, okay? Let me be very clear about that. So what do? How do you create the green to sell something and cover the cost of the golf course? That's number one. Then I said, we are not used to doing anything second class, so it has to be world class. because that's just the way I think my DNA, or let's say my family's DNA is, that we just can't accept or love anything that's second best. So the best. So I said, let's create the best golf course in the country. And there we are, and that's what I'm with you.